The B-52, officially known as the Boeing B-52 Stratofortress, is a long-range, jet-powered strategic bomber operated by the United States Air Force, USAF, since 1955. It is designed for global strike missions, both nuclear and conventional, and is known for its large payload, long range, and long endurance. The B-52 is a strategic bomber, designed to strike strategic targets such as enemy military headquarters, command centers, and industrial facilities from long distances. The aircraft is capable of carrying a variety of weapons, including conventional bombs, cruise missiles, and nuclear weapons. The B-52 has a very long combat range, approximately 8,800 miles, 14,200 kilometers. Despite its age, the B-52 remains the backbone of the USAF's bomber force and continues to be upgraded to meet current operational needs. The B-52 has seen action in a variety of conflicts, including the Vietnam War, the Gulf War, and the war in Afghanistan. The primary variant of the B-52 is the B-52H, which is the version still in service today. The B-52 is known for its ability to operate in a variety of weather conditions, carry a variety of weapons, and has a very long range. In short, the B-52 is a very important strategic bomber for the U.S. Air Force, and despite its age, it remains a very valuable asset due to its versatility and long range.